How to fix wait for this message error in Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. First, launch your Messenger app. Make sure you are already logged into your account. Now what you have to do is head over to the menu page. Then click on the option settings. Now navigate to the option privacy and safety. Then head towards the option into in encrypted chats. Click on the option message storage. Make sure you have enabled for the option secure storage. Once you do that, your problem might be fixed. You might get the message. Next thing you want to do is close this. Launch your settings app, navigate to the option general, head over to the option iPhone storage. From the list of the apps, find Messenger, launch it. Click on the option offload app, click on offload app, then click on reinstall app. Once you do this, you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If the solution didn't work for you, what you have to do is close this, launch your app store, search for the app Messenger. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With the solution, you'll be good to go, your problem will be fixed, the message will appear. At the end, if this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.